Hello kids, yesterday I said you the definitions of this chapter about what is adjective and about the different kinds of adjectives. Now today let's read about this that what is adjective. So what is adjective? Adjective is a word that is used to describe a noun or a pronoun. Okay, this is the describing word for the noun. It is used to describe a noun or it modifies the noun or it tells something more about the noun. Now come to the kinds of adjectives. So first kind, that is the adjectives of quality. So what is adjective of quality? From the name you can define it, that it describes the quality of a person or a thing. Okay, so what is adjective of quality? Adjective of quality, it describes the quality of a person or of the thing. For example, here it is written, Mrs. Mohana is a nice teacher. So here Mrs. Mohana is a nice teacher. Here nice, what is a nice? Nice is the quality of this person. I said that she is a nice teacher. So this is your adjective of quality, nice. You can take some more examples also. You can see here, he was weak in his studies. So what is weak here? Weak is also the its quality, is it? Reena hair is long and curly. Long and curly, what are these? These are the adjective of quality. Priya bought a blue cardigan. What is blue here? This is the quality of the cardigan. Okay, the tiger is a strong animal. So this is strong. This is the quality of this animal. So all these are the adjective of quality. Now come to the second one, that is adjectives of quantity. It tells us something about the amount of a particular thing. It tells us about the amount of something. Okay, the adjectives that tells us that the thing is how much. Okay, means about its quantity it tells. So such adjectives are called as a adjective of quantity. For example, you can see here, I also given when I have given you the questions yesterday, I also gave some adjectives. Those come under the adjective of quantity. For example, some, enough, more, few, like this. Okay, the poor man was given some food, means it do not tells you the actual number, but it tells you its quantity. Okay, adjective of number, it tells us how many person or the things are being referred to. Adjective of number, it clearly it will tell you about the number of things or the person are being referred to. For example, I bought 4 pencils from the market. So what is 4 here? 4 is the adjective of number. I bought 3 pens. So what is 3 here? That is the adjective of number. Now come to the demonstrative adjective. What is a demonstrative adjective? Demonstrative means to point out something. Okay, so adjective that point out a thing or a person is called a demonstrative adjective. For example, look at that tree. So what is that here? This is your demonstrative adjective. Those mangoes are sour. So what is those here? This is your demonstrative adjective. Okay, so what are the demonstrative adjective? That is that, those, this and these are the demonstrative adjectives. Now the next one, that is your interrogative adjective. So it's very simple. Interrogative means which is used for asking questions. So such adjectives that are used for asking question, that is called as a interrogative adjective. For example, what kind of person is he? So what is what here? This is your interrogative adjective. Which way we have to go? So what is which here? This is your interrogative adjective. Now come to the last one, that is a possessive adjective. What's a possessive adjective? Possessive adjectives tell us whose something belongs to. Possessive means it shows the possession. Okay, belongingness, that this thing belongs to whom. For example, my, your, his, hers, all these are the possessive adjective. Okay, and these adjectives are placed mostly before the nouns. Okay, for example, my book, so my is a possessive adjective. Your table, so your is your possessive adjective. His pencil, so his is your possessive adjective. So this was all about the adjective. Now in this chapter, in the first question, exercise A, here you have to identify the kinds of adjectives. Okay, for example, the teacher has 5 pens. So here what is the adjective? 5. And which adjective it is? This is the adjective of number. That is a difficult question. So that is a difficult question. What is a difficult here? It's an adjective of quality. Okay, this garden is a home of colorful butterflies. So this is your demonstrative adjective, and colorful, this is your adjective of quality. My aunt is a good cook. Here good, this is your adjective of quality, and my, this is your possessive adjective. Ram walked carefully on the polished floor. Here what is a polished? Polished is the adjective of quality. I like to read all kinds of stories. What is here adjective? In the 7th one, all kinds means here the adjective of number. Okay. Then she reads many books. What kind of adjective this is? First of all, you have to identify the adjective. What is adjective here? Many is the adjective, and which kind of adjective it is? This is the adjective of number. So in this way you have to go through this exercise. First of all, you have to identify the adjective, then you have to identify its kind. Okay, and later on I'll send the PDF also, but you have to go through it, and if you find any problem is there, any confusion you are having, then you can ask. Okay, so thank you.